Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to crochet this cute little star motif. It's a very easy and a quick to do tutorial, especially for beginners. So without any further delay, let's start the tutorial. So now let's see what all materials we need in order to crochet the star motif. Here I have taken a 3 mm crochet hook, a 4-ply cotton yarn, pink in color. You can go for any type and color of yarn as per your choice, and scissors. So let's begin. To start up with a little star motif, first let us make a magic ring. Now into this magic ring, work 3 chains. Now these 3 chains will be considered as the first double crochet. Going back into the ring, work 2 more double crochet. So including the first 3 chains, in total I have worked 3 double crochets. Now make 3 chains. Now the pattern repeats, that is, going back into the magic ring, work 3 double crochet. Followed by 3 chains. Now this sequence in total needs to be repeated for 5 times. So I have already done for 2 times. So I will be repeating this pattern for 3 more times. So once it's done, I shall get back. So after working the last group of 3 double crochets followed by 3 chains, slip stitch onto the second double crochet of the 3 double crochets worked. So here I have skipped the initial 3 chains worked and slip stitch on top of the next double crochet. So that completes the first round. Now for the second round, work 1 chain and into the same stitch work a single crochet. Now skip the next double crochet and going into the 3 chains worked, we'll be working 3 double crochets. Followed by 3 chains and 3 more double crochets into the same space. Now skip the next double crochet and going into the center double crochet of the 3 double crochets worked, make a single crochet. So this is the sequence, that is, you will be working a single crochet on top of the center double crochet of the 3 double crochets worked, followed by into the chain 3 space work 3 double crochets, 3 chains and 3 double crochets all into the same space. So this pattern will be repeated for 4 more times. So continue with the sequence till the end of the round. So here I have come towards the end of the second round by working a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet worked. So that completes the second round. Now we shall start with the third round. For that, work 1 chain. Now this is going to be the last round of our star motif. And in this round we will be working single crochets all the way around so that it gives a neat edging around the star motif. So going back into the same stitch, work a single crochet. Now work 1 single crochet into each of the stitches till you reach the chain 3 space. Once you reach the chain 3 space, into this space work 3 single crochets. Now continue working single crochets into each of the stitches, and whenever you come across the chain 3 space, into the space work 3 single crochets. So just continue with this sequence till the end of the round. So as you can see, I have worked the single crochets all around the star motif, and after working the last single crochet, I have cut the yarn and worked a seamless join. Also, I weaved in all the loose ends on the back side. So that completes our little star motif tutorial. So I hope you found this tutorial really very useful and interesting too. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.